Hi everybody! Happy Environment Day! Nature doesn't belong to us, we belong to nature. No tree, no food, no land, no life.
Environment Day is celebrated to promote the protection and conservation of environment. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on 5th June. This day was declared in 1972 by United Nations. The environment means the air, the water, the natural elements that we see around us. The clean environment plays an essential role in everyone's life and even in society. We should take measures to preserve our environment.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Srinjay. Today is World Environment Day and I am going to speak few lines about this day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year all over the world. The main aim of this day is to raise awareness among the people to protect the environment. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. Saving our environment is in our hands. We all need to contribute to save by planting trees, saving trees, reducing plastic usage and by saving all natural resources. The environment has given so much. Now it is our duty to save it for the next generation. Thank you.
My name is Zion Kumar and I am going to tell few lines on World Environment Day. The campaign World Environment Day was established in 1972 by United Nations General Assembly. It is celebrated every year in the month of June 5th date. The first World Environment Day was celebrated in 1974. थैंक यू।
मेरा नाम रुद्राशा है और आज मैं हिंदी कविता सुनाने वाला हूँ। इस कविता का शीर्षक है हरियाली धरती। धरती की बस यही पुकार, पेड़ लगाओ बारंबार, आओ मिलकर कसम खाए, अपनी धरती हरित बनाए। धरती पे हरियाली हो, जीवन में खुशहाली हो। पेड़ धरती की शान है, जीवन की मुस्कान है। आओ पेड़ लगाए हम, पेड़ लगाकर जग महकाकर जीवन सुखी बनाए हम। आओ पेड़ लगाए हम।
My name is Divyanshi. Today I am going to tell you about World Environment Day 10 lines. So let's start. World Environment Day is celebrated on the 5th of June every year. On this day we raise awareness to protect the environment. World Environment Day 2021 is about ecosystem restoration. Since 1974, it's been celebrated around the world. Schools, colleges and NGOs dance chaplains on this day. Many schools also call parents for this day. On this day, many camps, seminars and rallies are held. The school provide buses to take the children to the jungles. One should use the products that can recycle and reduce, recycle and reuse. Everyone should give property to save the environment. Thank you and happy World Environment Day.
Morning to one and all. I am Adya Avni from level 3 SIP Abakis Charuji Dhanbad and I am going to speak some lines on the World Environment Day. The World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year. It was started in the year 1974 by United Nations. The aim of this day is to raise awareness among people to protect the environment. The theme of this year is ecosystem restoration. It means assisting in the recovery of ecosystem that has been destroyed a decade ago. There are various activities organized in schools, colleges, and coachings to make it more effective. The earth is our first home, so we should take care of it. Let us promise to fulfill our responsibility. Thank you all.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ लावण्या चौधरी। विश्व पर्यावरण दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में मैं इंसुलिन का पौधा लगाने जा रही हूँ। इंसुलिन का पौधा के पत्ते बहुत ही बड़े बड़े होते हैं। इसके पत्ते स्पाइरल के जैसे होते हैं। इसमें एक बड़ा सा फूल भी खिलता है और ये बहुत ही सुंदर पौधा है। अब मैं इसमें पौधा लगाऊंगी। इसमें मैंने आधा कंपोस्ट पाउडर का और मिट्टी लिया। इसमें बार बार फर्टिलाइजर डालने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती। इसमें आप एक एक दिन छोड़ छोड़ के भी पानी डाल सकते हैं। इसमें ना ज़्यादा छाँव में ना ही ज़्यादा धूप में रखना है। इसकी एक एक पत्तियाँ रोज सुबह शाम खाने से डायबिटीज कंट्रोल में रहता है। इसे आप चबाकर भी खा सकते हैं या पाउडर बनाकर मिक्स करके भी खा सकते हैं। ये डायबिटीज के अलावा कैंसर, अस्थमा और फीवर के लिए भी उपयोगी है। इससे पाचन शक्ति बढ़ती है। आइए इसकी जानकारी हम दूसरे लोगों तक भी पहुंचाएं।
And friends, my name is Shaurya Singh and I am a student of SIP Abacus. Today I am going to talk about the topic World Environment Day. This day originated in United Nations in 1972. It was first celebrated worldwide in 1973 with two and was given a theme of only one Earth. We have to save this Earth from destroying. We have to stop the people who use or make the things that can destroy our environment or nature.
Hi everyone, we request you keep safe, keep biodiversity in 2021. Happy World Environment Day. Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Shaishnu Prakash Chaudhary. I am class 2B. I am also studying SIP Abacus Jharudi. Today will World Environment Day. I am say one thing. Not over lights, not overuse lights, foods, data and water. Do not waste food, save natural things, save water resources and save our earth. Request you planting more and more. Thank you.
Good morning, dear friends and ma'am. My name is Tanis Monkey. I want to tell about global warming on this World Environment Day. Friends, our lovely planet is warming up by greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide comes from burning coal in different uses. On the other hand, plants take carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. So if we burn less coal and do plantation more, we can save our lovely, beautiful planet from
study in class 4D. My school name is Inobli School Thuli. I also study in SIT Abacus Jharodi Dhanbad. Today I am presenting some lines on World Environment Day. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every year all over the world. World Environment Day was first celebrated in 1974 with the theme of Only One Earth. World Environment Day is celebrated annually with a new theme assessing of world environment. United Nations. This year 2021 the theme is biodiversity, like global warming, pollution, etc. Our environment is now in our hand. Thank you. Happy Environment Day to you all. I plant a tree on my birthday. You also plant and do not overuse natural resources, lights, internet, food and water. Happy World Environment Day to you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Happy Environment Day. I don't want to protect the environment. I want to create a world where the environment does not need protection.
My name is Aryan Kumar. I am student of SIP Abacus Jharodi. World Environment Day. World Environment Day is a very important day for our life. It is the day when we get aware of issues related to our environment and pledge to keep it safe for our better future. We should take care of our environment all through life. It can be done only when we will keep our eyes open and be active to bring some position changes within ourselves and the environment. Thank you.
Good morning. I am Hamid Singh. Today I want to say something about Environment Day. Environment is the surrounding where we live. A clean environment is necessary for living. Our environment is getting dirty day by day. It is our duty to keep our environment clean. A clean environment keeps the atmosphere fresh. World Environment Day is celebrated on 5th June every day. Thank you.